Let's have a look now at the join command. We're going to look at joining entities. Now the join command itself again is on the Home tab on the ribbon. It's actually on the Modify panel here. Now what I'm going to do, we've looked at this before, is we're going to use what they call a sticky panel. So I'm going to click and drag on the Modify title bar there of the panel and just drop it down here like that. And now what I can do, as you can see, if I do this, I can hover, I can return the panel to the ribbon there, or I can toggle the orientation. So the arrow's pointing down there. I click on the arrow, and as you can see there, there's join right there. So I click on join, come into the drawing area, and it says select first object or return to join lines, arcs, or circles. I'm going to join these objects here. I'm going to click on that line there, and then the second object is going to be that line there. If I click there, can you see it joins across? Look, I've got a line there now that goes all the way across. Let's do the same at the bottom here. So we go back to join, click on the arrow. There's join there. I click on this line here, this line right here. So they're joined together. Now if I look over at the front view, I've got two arcs there. I want them to be circles. So again, I go to join, click on the down arrow, click on join on the Modify sticky panel. It says return to join lines, arcs or circles. I press enter, select the object to join. So if I select this one here and then right click to confirm, it doesn't join it. So what have I got to do here to get it to join? I'm going to cancel the join command that I've used by pressing escape a few times. I've got this join command here on the Modify panel. If I hover over it, as you can see there, it says AM join, AutoCAD mechanical join. It's different to the regular join command. So I wouldn't use that join command to join my arcs or close any arcs. What I would do is I would just type join, J-O-I-N, and press enter. That then prompts me to select my source object. I'm going to select this arc here. So I click on the arc. It then says select arcs to join to the source or. So if I right click now on the shortcut menu, I can just click close. That closes that arc and forms a circle. As you can see on the command line, arc converted to a circle. Let's right click now and I can repeat join. Notice it's not AM join as you can see on the recent input there. Repeat join, select this arc here. Right click, close, and that closes the arc to a circle for me. So, remember you have two join commands in AutoCAD Mechanical 2010. You have this one here on the Modify panel, which is AM join, as you can see there. You can also just type join, J-O-I-N, and press enter. That is also just the standard AutoCAD join command. So I'll press escape there now, as we've joined everything that we need to. We've joined these lines here, and as you can see, I've joined the single line segment to take it right across our wheel there. I've also joined these arcs here to show the front view in more clarity. To get our sticky panel to go back, I hover over it, and I click here. Return panel to ribbon. That goes back in. There's the Modify panel right there, back on my Home tab on the ribbon like so.